Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video on a 1972 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup. This beautiful little truck has a 350 small block under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. It is a Cheyenne. It does have the stainless trim down the sides of the truck, houndstooth seat, white door panels, visors, seat belts. Just an absolute beautiful little truck. Body and paint on the truck look very, very nice. I'd say the truck's probably been painted for 15 years, 10, 15 years. Looks great as well. I'd say those are US mags maybe. It's got Chevrolet center caps in them, so they might be US mags. They are 245, 65 20s on the front. Maybe it's a little bit taller than that on the back. Say body, paint, and interior, very, very nice. Set you down for a second. There we go. It's a factory air truck. Got their stock exhaust manifolds on it. You say power steering and brakes. Optima battery. Got a disconnect shut off there for the battery. Washer jug is there. Truck is absolutely just beautiful pickup. Dual exhaust, beautiful wooden bed. The sides are rhino lined. Sides and the wheel wells. Tilt steering column. Aftermarket Pioneer CD player. Tack dash. Wipers, horn, radio, turn signals, bright headlight indicator, chrome bumpers, front and rear, very, very nice. The stainless trim down the sides of the truck, it looks very well. The front grill shell here, it's got a few little scratches up on the top of it, you can see. I mean, I don't know. Depends how picky you are. You might replace it, you might not. I don't know. If it was my truck for the $200-300 bucks, I was gonna keep it, I'd probably just replace it. I mean, it's not bad. You can just see a couple little scuffs and the little scratches in it. And some of that might polish out too. I don't know if she tried to polish that a whole lot, but the only imperfection I see on the truck, it does have a couple little bubbles right here on the bottom of this door. You can see right there, and it's got a couple little bubbles right there on the corner right there. The other door looks good. This door has just a little bit of, a few little bubbles on it. We'll take it out for a spin. That's what we do here at Kinion Classics. I don't sugarcoat anything. I just tell you exactly what it is. I mean, you're going to see it when you get it. So this truck's probably going to be priced at $59,900. I still think it's a great pickup for that price. Nice little black shorty. truck is all very nice. Gas gauge works, tachometer, amp gauge, temp gauge, vacuum gauge, oil pressure gauge. All that stuff works good. Just a nice looking truck.